Hi everybody, welcome back to Bobby's Bucks, and I hope you guys are chasing them down and you've had a lot of buck activity, and we've had some cold temperatures in Michigan, so it's made for really good hunting. But my cousin Brian came out first time in 30 years to go deer hunting, so he's like, what do I need?
A little bit older, a little worse vision, but I got this.
So I wanted to, I said, well, that's a great idea. We're going to do that on a future video, so stay tuned for that. But we got him into the woods, and we got in early. It wasn't opening day because we just were so busy we couldn't make it out there. Back in the day when I was younger, it didn't matter. I was clearing my schedule, but just getting older, you just can't do that for some things. But we finally got into the woods. So we didn't have any luck. A lot of factors can play into why you don't see deer. You know, it's always quality time. Even the worst day in the woods is still better than the best day in the office, and it was good to catch up. But didn't see any deer. It was a bummer. So we went to a new place in the morning, and a place where it's really good, really close to bedding, lots of rubs and scrapes, and didn't see anything. We're gonna try again later, but I don't really have anything to bring as far as hunting footage and deer footage, so I wanted to share some of the fishing lures for all you guys who catch bass and go fishing. I wanted to share some lures that I've been catching bass and pike on, and that's something I can share. So here are some lures that I've been throwing for the summer to fall transition, where the bait fish are starting to school up and go back into these little channels and fingers, and this is what I've been throwing to catch fish. Oh crap, I wasn't recording. This is my buddy Chris. He is a fishing fool and he knows how to get it done. We're out here, yeah, I mean, this is just a beautiful morning. It's probably 65, 70 degrees. And yeah, just look at this place.
Yeah,
You seen that? He was a good one. That was a bummer. Got him, dude. Yeah, probably. That's a good one.
Huge bass. Where the hell is this from?
Yeah.
Yeah. Dude, that is a monster.
That monster.
He's a nice one. Ready?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Good one, man. Good one.
Stick your fingers in there. And then gently let them go.
Oh!
God, a big ass pike almost hit you.
Come on! Dude, I was burning it, dude. I was burning it. Oh! Oh! Baby. Got a pike. Got a baby. Yo. Well, you sure did a number on that one. There you go, buddy. After the surgery, sheesh. I'll throw this back on. There we go. Ooh, that's a good one too. Man, I probably threw this rattle trap maybe 2 times. And this is my second time throwing it. And got a good one. If I can get him in the boat. See him, he's in that seaweed bed. Come on, trolling motor work. Holy moly. Yeah. Rattle trap, baby. Got him hooked right on the... There we go. Would you look at that? Sheesh. Oh, he's got seaweed in his mouth too. Tons of stuff in there. Yeah. That's a good one. Rattle trap. Yep. Oh, did you see that? Oh, got him.
Got him.
That a baby chatterbait. It was a pike, I think.
Yeah. You want to net him?
Oh, yeah, get in there. Yeah, thanks, man.
This river is so packed full of fish. He actually got bit by another one. Took his face off.
Holy moly, wow. So stay tuned for more deer footage. I'm going to share where we go. If you want to hunt mid-October, the October lull, where you can find the deer. So stay tuned for that video. Stay tuned for our other video too. We're going to keep them coming. So thanks for tuning in today, and we'll see you on the next video.